This is race number 1. And the rough early lead is taken by Arithmetic from the outside. Dennis Song, Lara Downs moving up on the outside. Is Native Land, and bringing up the rear is Exquisite. And nearing the far turn, it's Arithmetic, Lara Downs on the outside, and Native Land, Dennis Song by the rail, and here comes Exquisite moving up in between horses. And rounding the far turn, it's Arithmetic by half a length, followed by Lara Downs on the outside. It's Arithmetic, Lara Downs on the outside, and Native Land on the farther outside, and Dennis Song now moving up on the inside. And here comes Exquisite in horses. And into the home stretch, the lead is taken over now by Native Land from the outside. It's Native Land in the lead, followed by Dennis Song by the in between horses. Exquisite, Lara Downs on the farther outside, and Arithmetic. It's Native Land on the outside, and Dennis Song by the rail. It's still Native Land, Dennis Song, and Exquisite running in third. And finally at the payoff line, it's Native Land, Dennis Song, Exquisite, Lara Downs, and Arithmetic.
Alright, unang tumawid sa linya, numero